tranquil embrace of a 17th century garden, where the whispers of nature intermingle with the quest for knowledge, unfolds a story of inquiry and insight that would leave an indelible mark on the annals of scientific discovery. This is the tale of Jan Baptist van Helmont, a Flemish chemist, physician, and philosopher, whose curiosity about the natural world would lead him to conduct an experiment with a simple willow tree, an experiment that would elegantly challenge the prevailing beliefs of his time and lay foundational stones for the science of botany and the understanding of plant growth. Van Helmont, living in an era where alchemy and chemistry danced on the cusp of modern science, was driven by a profound question: where does a plant's mass come from? The prevailing wisdom of the day suggested that plants drew their substance from the soil, a theory that Van Helmont, with a mind both analytical and audacious, sought to test. In the quietude of his garden, Van Helmont began his experiment, an endeavor marked by both simplicity and revolutionary potential. He carefully weighed a small willow sapling, noting its mass with the meticulousness of a scholar. He then planted it in a large pot filled with 200 pounds of dried soil, the weight of which he also meticulously recorded. The garden, a sanctuary of growth and discovery, became the stage for an experiment that would unfold over 5 years, a testament to Van Helmont's patience and dedication to understanding the mysteries of nature. Throughout these years, Van Helmont watered the tree with nothing but rainwater or distilled water, ensuring that no other substances could contribute to the tree's growth. The garden, with its cycles of growth and decay, stood as a silent witness to the passage of time and the slow, deliberate investigation of natural laws. At the experiment's conclusion, Van Helmont again weighed the willow tree, which had now grown significantly. The difference in mass was astonishing, yet the soil, upon being dried and weighed, had lost hardly any of its original weight. This revelation was profound, suggesting that the soil was not the source of the plant's growth. Instead, Van Helmont proposed that water was the key contributor to the tree's increase in mass, a hypothesis that, while not entirely accurate by modern understanding, challenged existing doctrines and pointed towards the importance of air and water in plant growth. Van Helmont's experiment, a narrative woven from the fabric of curiosity, meticulous observation, and a reverence for nature, stands as a milestone in the history of science. It is a story that unfolds slowly, mirroring the gradual growth of the willow tree itself, inviting reflection on the processes of investigation and discovery. This tale, set in the verdant tranquility of a 17th century garden, serves as a reminder of the power of questioning established truths and the potential of simple, yet thoughtfully executed, experiments to unravel the mysteries of the natural world. Van Helmont's willow tree experiment, with its blend of philosophical inquiry and empirical investigation, remains a poignant example of the early scientific method. It encourages us to consider not only the physical growth of the willow, but also the growth of human understanding, a journey that continues to unfold with each generation's curiosity and quest for knowledge.